Today I'm going to show you how you can share your school closings and your alerts out to Facebook and Twitter. What you will do is you can either come to district management or building management, whichever permission that you have. When you get to your district or your building details, you're going to click on the edit for your address. You're going to scroll down and you're going to see here that you have the post to Facebook and your Twitter. If you go, I'm going to go ahead and disconnect from each of these. When I go in and I log into Facebook, it's going to ask me, I want to log into my Facebook here. It's going to verify my login to my Facebook. It's going to tell me that I have successfully logged in. It's then going to give me the option of user wall or a pages option. You want to make sure that you always select your page option. And the reason for that is then it's going to go to your specific building or your district's Facebook page. You do have to be an admin on the account in order for that to show. If you use the user wall, you are going to go to your personal Facebook page, not your district's Facebook page. The connect to Twitter, when I click on this, it's going to connect me to Twitter. It's going to ask me if I want to authorize this app. It's then going to come in here and it's going to say that I have been connected. So I can come in here, click save, and then I can come over here to my school closings over on the right in my district management here. And I can come in here, I'm going to do new closing. I would put my information that I want about the closing. Then down here at the bottom, you're going to see that you have the option to publish to Twitter. You also can publish to Facebook. So I can checkbox both of these or whichever one I want to use. Click save, and that will publish that school closing out to my Facebook and Twitter page. I can also come up here to building alerts. And the building alerts option is going to be shown on your building pages. You will not have school closings on each of your building pages. And I can come in here, click add alert. I can put again my information that I want to go into my closing, and then down here at the bottom you'll have the post this alert to Twitter, post this alert to Facebook. The only thing with Twitter is you do need to make sure that you are less than 280 characters. If you are over 280 characters, it is going to cut that off for you. You'll then click save alert. That will then publish those out to the options that you have selected there. This concludes the training over publishing your school closings and your alerts to Facebook and Twitter. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at support@schoolpoint.com. Have a wonderful day.